Here is the Nissan Versa. To access the bulb, we need to open up the trunk. Let's go ahead, pop the trunk open, and now we need to get this light out, which is being held in place by those two bolts. You can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket ratchet combination. If you use a screwdriver, make sure you push down and then twist left so you don't end up stripping the bolt heads off. Let's get both the bolts off and keep them somewhere safe. Now we need to pull the light out sidewards, not to the back, sidewards. First grab the light and try rocking it loose a little bit. Once it is a little bit loose, get a flathead screwdriver, put it right over there in that gap and shove it down as much as you can, and then pry the screwdriver outwards. That's going to pop the light off. It's important you shove it down, so this way you're pressing up against the plastic part, not the lens. The lens will crack if you push on it. That pin goes over there, the second pin goes there, and those two holes are where the bolts go. That's the bulb holder for the parking light. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and you should be able to get it out. Just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it will come right out. And there we go, the bulb is out. The bulb size is 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Get the new bulb and simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And when you put it back in the light, you have to make sure it just sits in flush like this. It should look like this. And then twist your right just a little bit to lock it. And that's it, you're done. Now when you put the light back in, you have to focus on this side where those bolt heads go, because the plastic piece over there is going to press up against the metal body, and that's going to help you align the light back in place. See that? Make sure it's aligned the way I'm showing, and once it looks like this, then you align those two pins, the alignment pins, and then you push the light back into the body. Now we just have to put those two bolts back in place and then tighten them down, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.